So you guys requested for this video and here we are. Hi learners, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of tuning in, you're very welcome. My name is Eby George. Okay, you're very welcome. You're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Straight to the video. I'll be using one pack of this expression collection hair. I call it, the popular name for this hair is multi. I used one pack of it in making this beautiful style. I used color 33. Okay, so next is to grab the cap you want to be using. I used the stocking cap in making this wig. This stocking cap always come in two, like it's always two in one pack. I used two of them in making this wig. Okay, pull out your cap and then put it on your mannequin head like so. Okay, so this next stage is really very important. Okay, when you put up the stocking cap on top of the mannequin head, use your T-pin and adjust it like so. Okay, adjust it, drag it down and pin it down so that it will size all size of hair, like so that after making your wig it can be able to size you or your client's hair. If you don't do this, the wig might end up not sizing you. Okay, so next is to unravel your crochet hair from the pack. Now there are so many ways you can make this wig. You can decide to use a glue to make the work faster, but in this video I use a thread and needle in making this wig. Now is the normal way of sewing wig. If you've watched my tutorials, is my normal way of sewing wig from one part of the ear to the other end of the ear till I get to the top. This is what I'll be doing on this video till I'm done. Yeah, we're here, so I'll be showing you in detail what I mean. Okay, now when sewing this wig, make sure you sew it in a way that the thread won't be showing. Like sew your thread under the crochet hair so that it won't be showing, so that you have a neat work. Now I'll allow you guys to watch through so that you know and understand what I mean. Now in the process of watching this video, you have any question or any inquiry, you want to anything, feel free to leave your comments on the comment box below and I'll sure attend to it. Okay,
Black was straight from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, be the day. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, be the day. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Black was straight from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything.
so the process is that simple. Keep on sewing. I won't show the whole of this video because if I do, it will require a lot of time, so I'll be cutting and then fast forwarding everything so that we will like get to the end at once and learn something.
Hey, because not today, be the day. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, be the day. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to.
So when you reach to the extreme end of your cap, please don't cut it. Flip it over and continue sewing. Okay, child, that's my own way. You can decide to cut it, but to make it look that realistic and more natural, like you sewed it down on your hair, please don't cut it. Flip it over and continue sewing. Okay,
Black was straight from my heart.
now this is what I mean. Just flip over and continue sewing. Okay,
I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I go die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Black was straight from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you.
so when you get the front, okay, if you want to wear this wig as a center part, this part is very important. Sew in a lace, like so on the front part like this. Sew in a lace with your needle and thread, then you continue the same procedure. Okay,
I could ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Black was straight from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Black was straight.
so when you finish sewing in the lace, you can go ahead and continue sewing your crochet hair. Okay, the same procedure. Sew it in from one end of the ear to the other end of the ear. Same process until you're done.
Because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Black was straight from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah.
So guys, as you can see, in the front part, I didn't cut it in any way. I was just flipping over, sewing in the same way. Then just same way, don't cut it, just flip over when you get to the extreme end. Keep sewing, keep sewing.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very.
So when you're done sewing in, the next stage, this stage is what will make the wig look realistic on your head. Use your hand and pick the hair, like pick the hair. I don't know if you understand what I mean by picking the hair. Grab your scissors, cut the front part, use your hand and drag it out so that you have like few strands of hair there on the front. Like use your hand and do your styling, you know, and both the back parts, all the extreme end, drag them. Make sure the side you flip over is not obvious at all. Like drag tiny hairs out of, like drag out baby hairs from all the extreme end, both at the back, the corner of your ears. Drag out tiny hairs. Those tiny hairs will lie as a baby hair on top of your skull when you put on the hair. So this is what will really make the hair very unique and more realistic, like you did a crochet on your own natural hair. Okay.
I want you to be myself, make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh.
So when you're done with that, the next stage is to cut out the cap in that particular place you sewed down your lace, so that your lace will look visible. Now if you're used to my video, this won't be confusing for you because I always do this in most of my video. Cut out the cap in that particular place you sewed down your lace so that your lace will be visible. Okay, now after cutting it out, you should be seeing your skull through your lace when you wear this cap. Okay, now this is how the wig looks on me. Now when you still put on the wig, go ahead and use your hand and still drag out some baby hair to make it look more realistic. Okay, now as you can see, just on your mirror, trace the hair on you, drag out little tiny hairs in the front so that the tiny hairs will just lay on your skull. Now this is how the wig looked on me. It came out looking like I dyed and then rolled my hair. I love the outcome. It came out looking very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel. Click on the notification button to know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.